Do you have a problem printing to the virtual device, to the virtual printer for your POS in the VM? Do you have a problem similar to this one here I'm going to show you? I'm starting the POS. And you see it's connected to hardware station, but when you continue, you see there is a problem. So let's go back and solve this problem. It's very simple to solve this if everything has been set up correctly one time. So what you do is you find your virtual station and you right click and run as administrator. That is step 1 to do. The other one is to go into services and find the hardware station, this one here, and restart it. This hardware station is from LS Retail. Now if we go into the POS and start it, we have no problem. Do a sale, finish a sale, and printing is happening. And it's printed here on the virtual device. The virtual device can be used as well for scanner or for EFT, even for the drawer, but that all has to be in harmony with what is set up in the hardware profile.